High Wind in Jamaica. Two British parents living in the West Indies want to send their children to a school in England. So they go on a ship with their children, intending to go to England. But there's a problem. On the way to England, some pirates invade the ship. The pirates. And so the parents get separated from their children. And the children have an adventure trying to get back to their parents. So you have to watch the film to see what happens. The film is based on the 1929 novel written by Richard Hughes. So if you're into that novel, you might enjoy the film too. The film stars Anthony Quinn and James Coburn, to name just two. So it's a film that's a great watch, set back in a time of no phones, no mobile phones. So there's no people who actually speak to each other instead of a piece of plastic. So it's a great film, and I definitely recommend you watch that if you have some spare time one Sunday afternoon.